So let me give you a rundown of the project while I struggle to get the four-wheeler off of the trailer. This is a 1996 Polaris Sportsman 500, and this is not a restoration project. This is purely getting parts from it because it's a very capable machine and it can be reused in a few other ways. That's for another future project, but I think you'll enjoy watching me struggle getting parts from this. I'm pretty excited about the attention that the Suzuki Bandit project got, because this is going to be an extension of that eventually. So if you like projects where it's more than just a restoration, this is definitely something you're going to keep on watching. And don't worry for amount of content, because I have about 7 or 8 consecutive projects that are going right now, so there's going to be a lot of stuff that is coming up. And believe me when I say that this is just the beginning, and it's going to get a lot better. So this is about 40 minutes of part removal, and I will say half of that went to bolts that were completely rusted stuck on. Oh, a tree just fell. Huh, well, anyway, it's too dark, camera can barely see. I'm getting to the point of what I can see with the light, so tomorrow time. See what size that is. You guessed ½ inch?
I guess ½ inch. free?
Probably. Give it a try.
All except right there. Look at that. Holy crap. Does that come off? No. This is welded on. Alright, well that stays for a while. Because the line might be good.
Yeah, right.
Half inch in back. I'm holding the motor, you know that. If I let go, it's gonna fall off.
Good.
Let it. Look at it going. Here.
Good.
Good. Ready?
No. Let me set this stuff down.
I'll let you slide it out. I'll let you have the honors.
I don't think I'll do it, but
Oh yeah, just pull it from the clutch. In front of your camera. You lift it.
I'm still stuck on
That rubber thing. It's the whole seal.
Where's the... I got it. Got it.
Got it. It's amazing how that plastic was holding everything in place.
You got to hold the oil. Probably over there.
Yeah, probably on top. Can you do it yourself?
Probably. Yeah.
Oh, there's more fluid.
Oh, it's plugged in as well.
Minor detail.
Minor detail. Minor detail. There we go.
Oh my god, that's cute.
It's actually in fairly good condition. I mean, there's some dents in it, but it's not that bad.
Okay, this is the battery connector. This is your power and your oil temperature.
I don't know if that's oil temp or oil pressure. I imagine it's pressure, not temp, but it doesn't really matter. Some starter spray on it. Not starter spray, you know, Oh, interesting. Guess what? The pedometer cable in the rear transmission.
This guy right here is the takeoff. Is that where it's going?
You know, it'd be really cool.
And that's on the other end of this takeoff over here.
You know, it'd be really cool
What's that?
If this fits the Suzuki or speedometer.
Oh,
That way, so I don't have to use the Polaris one. It's square.
they should almost be universal.
Let me go grab it.
They should almost.
I just want to see if it fits.
Oh my god.
It fits.
But we don't know if it actually does anything. If I could turn that.
But it fits.
Hold on. I can spin it. Right?
It's probably not fast enough. No,
Which way is forward?
It's the actual wheel speed.
It in gear.
Yeah, then we have to lift with the rig. I just wanted to see if the screw actually fit and everything. It does.
It does. Oh.
Hey, you want to know the pluses? This one goes up to 150. The other one went up to 60.
Oh my god.
There's a 90 mile per hour difference between this speedometer and the other one.
See how the linkage of the steering is up front this way?
Yeah.
If you took this side, bring it over here,
Oh,
this whole thing might be over here. So now you're way out here on your steering.
I like that idea.
Would that work?
I don't really see a reason why not, besides maybe that the four-wheel drive wouldn't engage properly. But I don't really know how that works internally.
I mean, you know, they'd be switched on each side. It'd be a pain in the neck to probably do.
That tire is shot.
They could put some more air in it.
Hi, Milo.
Because as you pull it,
What size is that, do you think?
3/4.
3/4? Let's give it a 3/4.
15/16. Or 11.
Oh, 11/16, you think?
Yeah.
Yep, nailed it.
See, it explodes.
Oh, this is out of the 3/8 set. I'm not looking. I want the next setup. Please.
And how much?
Not bad. It is though. It's warm. My ears. I think I marred up this wrench in there. Yeah, see if it pops it now.
Now that we broke the friction, you want to do your side? I'll do my side. Here. All right, get your spot. All right, I don't know. It's moving.
I think it is.
Yeah.
I don't know if those are transmission mounts though. They're moving or I don't know what I'm moving. My only thought is getting a grinder.
And just do the hub right here. Right. The spark stuff.
Not that bad. Imagine it just went off right then.
Is it supposed to come off? Okay, look at the other ring. See the ring right there? Is it supposed to slide off that main shaft that we see right there?
No, that's actually the...
Does this...
No, this actually is supposed to slide off the shaft. That is a casing around the actual shaft.
Okay, isn't that part of this? Isn't that the same as that ring? That?
Yeah, it is.
So can we take the crowbar and pull it from that spot?
What do you mean?
Can we take the crowbar, put it right
You're
there?
just pushing against itself. And while I may have ran out of time this week, don't worry, we pick right back up on this and do a little bit of extra things next week. This is video 1 of 4. We release videos every Monday at noon. So far we spent about $330. If you want to support, there's Discord, Patreon, and a few other links down below. 20K Brooklyn is the one who makes all the music.